Hello, friends. How's it? And welcome to another voiceover. I feel like I'm doing a lot of voiceovers these days. Well, there's a lot of noise in my house. Some days it's quiet and I can make a video and we're all good to go, but other days, not so quiet. So, if you saw my shorts, you'll know what I'm talking about here, showing you the pattern and what I made. And I really love how this turned out and how fast it was because there was less cutting and sewing, of course, because the less you cut, the less you sew things together, I think. And it's just a nice little thing that he could wear around. So here are my pieces for the hoodie. I'm going to adjust it a bit. I'm not going to put a hood, um and I'm going to think about the pockets. I'm just going to make it like a plain sweater, and the reason is because I'm recycling an old sweater of mine. I managed to get all the pieces that I would need. I cut out the trim from the neck. I'm going to reuse that. And as you can see, I did not take off the binding from the bottom. So I used the front and the back of the sweater to make the front and the back, the front and the back of my sweater to make the front and the back for this one, and the sleeves to make the sleeves. So I've got all my pieces here. I'm going to go ahead and sew them together. When you're doing that, keep in mind that the front is different from the back, so make sure you line them up properly. Hi friends, so we are back, and this is the complete sweater. Well, now it's a sweater because it doesn't have a hood on it, and I will put a little picture, the little video of me taking off. This was an old sweater of mine, and I took off the decal that was on there, washed it up. I did keep the original cuffs and the bottom of the sweater, and I'm going to wash this. I didn't finish it off except for the shoulders here, so I didn't finish off the sides because I know I might have to bring this a little in because I know his wrists are way smaller than that. So I left that open to bring it in, as well as I'm thinking about putting a slit in there. I don't know. So this is what it looks like so far. And we have a complete sweater that is on the owner. Now trying to get a toddler to stand still was the tricky part, but I'm pretty sure you can see what it looks like on him. And he is so adorable. It was a nice warm day out, and we decided to have a braai. So that's why we are out on the deck. And he is just running around. He's also wearing um, upcycled, play shorts that were made out of his father's t-shirts, actually. So that was my upcycle, recycle sewing projects. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.